Hi everybody, Matthew here from IG. Today we'll show you how to add funds to your trading account. When you log into your account, you will land on your My IG dashboard. You will need to click on the Live Accounts tab. This is where you can do a range of transactions on your account, including funding and withdrawals. First thing you'll need to do is add the details of the payment method which you'll be using to fund your account. You will do this via the card bank details screen. You can add the details of your bank account or bank card by simply clicking either Add Card or Add Bank Details button. Enter your card details and click Confirm. You will note that it asks you to tick a box confirming that you are the card holder or the bank account is in your name, and you will only be transferring your own funds to your account. For AML purposes, we do not accept funds from a third-party source. Once you've added your details, you're ready to deposit funds into your account. Head to the Deposit Funds page from the left-hand side menu. Select the type of deposit you added on the previous page. For example, if you added bank card details, all you need to do is select Fund Using Card. Enter the amount you wish to deposit and click Deposit. Just be aware that funding by card, bank transfer or PayPal, the minimum deposit amount is $450. Any deposit made into your account needs to be made from an account in your name. For example, the name on your bank account and your IG account must match. We also allow deposits via BPay. You will find your unique BPay login details on this screen. Once the funds are in your account, you're ready to trade.